2, 1, go.
All right, we're in autonomous for match number 2 as the bots are programmed by the human players to see do what you see doing right now. 4730 comes out of their community. IHOT comes out of the community and backs back up on the charging station. They can stay up there and be engaged. They will be 12 points for their alliance. It's 33-29. Gains 3 points. 12-61 also gains 12 points for the alliance. As it's 24-24 coming out of alliance. Oh my goodness. The Robo Lions tip over coming off of the charging station and are. There you go. 76-76. The THS Robo Dogs are entering their community boundaries right now. As IHOT places a cone high atop that that power pole worth 5 points. Now they're down in the power substation, looking for a cone or a cube from the yard manager. Looks like they're going to try to pick up a cube from the yard manager. It falls down on to the ground surface. They try to pick it up one more time with their mechanism. They've got it in their arms, heading back down the field, across. Whoa, my goodness, crashing into the charging station. Now they're over. Across the charging station, they're in their community, placing that cone high atop the power pole. Those power poles, they're kind of similar to those big metal power poles that you see out on the side of the road. The power poles in the middle, they're kind of like the telephone poles or light poles that you see alongside the road that are the wooden ones. And down on the lower, that's just the lower area where they're staging all of their equipment. But that's still part of the grid as well. In the lower level, on the Blue Alliance, you see 3 of them side by side there where 58-28 is right now. 3 of them linked side by side, gives them a link. That's 5 points for their community. All right, 47-30 back in their community bounds. The Terminator looking to push one of those cubes into the low level. That'll gain them 2 points. Scoring in the low level worth 2, scoring high atop those power poles or atop the platforms worth 5 points apiece. And if they can score in the middle, that's worth 3. You see 76-76 and 33-29 trying to get up on the charging platform. Right now, that would be considered docked and engaged, except for the fact that 76 is still touching the bot and the carpet. They would only be credited for being docked. As 58-28, the Westover Robotics teams at 47-30, the Terminators try to get up on the platform, docking engaged. Hey, 76 is off of the platform. It's 33-29 and 14-14. Approach. With 2 seconds left to go, they're going to try to engage. Oh my goodness. It looks like, because it's not level, they will get credited with a dock at 6 points apiece rather than 10 points apiece, like 47-30 and 58-28 got for their alliance. That could be the difference in the match right now, as 2 bots were docked, and 2 bots were docked and engaged with their community. All right, once again, we're waiting on the F1. Here we go. They're taking off the pit road. It shows that the Red Alliance was victorious in that match with a score of 65-61. Big difference in that match was the power of the grid. 18 more points on the Red Alliance than the Blue Alliance. 14 points more for the Blue Alliance on the charging station. But charging that grid up just a little bit stronger gave the Red Alliance the victory as we prepare for match number 3.